Good morning. I am not going to have time to put up a video today, so I have a bunch of clips that I've just kept. Most of them are cooking that I didn't ever use. So if you like a cooking video and saw, I mean just snippets sometimes. But you know what? We don't waste food and we don't waste video clips. So today's video is a bunch of hodgepodge of videos. Some you'll see that are in Arizona, some you'll see back at home base, and some, well, not here yet. But I also am going to include in this some random clips. One, I fixed my shade cloth, and I should have filmed that whole thing because that was a process. And if you ever have to do it, I had to watch a bunch of videos. But anyway, I'm going to include that in this video too. So, all right, we're heading out, and I will see y'all later. Good morning. This morning I am going to just make some toast with, well, it's avocado toast. So I'm going to cook some toast over here. What? Yeah, I know. You already ate. It's our turn to eat now, okay? You want a chair? I'll get you a chair. Alright, so if these avocados are good, I guess I should say. Cut a little tomato and put on it. I'm going to cut little slices of jalapeno for mine. Drinking some carrot juice blend. Yum. This is good. I like carrot juice just by itself. I think this has got some lemon in it, but it's good. And some bread for the toast. Let's see. I think that's it. Oh, I got some everything bagel too. Yeah. Good morning. So we have this huge thing of mushrooms left over. Hi, Sammy. I'm cleaning out my refrigerator too, so I am washing my crisper drawer, so I'm letting that dry, and then I'll put everything back in there. But so I've been trying to work our way through these mushrooms. I know. You can't have mushrooms. No, you can't have mushrooms. So for breakfast yesterday and this morning, we are having eggs. I don't really like omelets. I don't know why. Maybe it's a texture thing, but I like vegetables in my scrambled eggs. So I am going to cut up some mushrooms, cut up some tomato, and I'll add some cheese and eggs, and I'm going to make some toast, and that'll be breakfast this morning. There's breakfast. Yum. Yummalicious. Yum. Yummy, yummy. For dinner tonight, I am cooking a little bit of rice and broccoli. I put a little hoisin sauce, a little soy sauce, a little toasted sesame seeds, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, even a little bit of the garlic and herb. And I'm cooking some chicken in the air fryer. Yeah, I'm off grid using my air fryer. Alright, there's my dinner. Deborah just wanted chicken, so I took her the chicken. I have to do it in batches because I can't get it all in one basket. And she didn't want the rice and broccoli, so I just made a small portion. So I'm gonna cook some veggies tonight. I've got some mushrooms, squash, onion. I'm not gonna cook those. I'm gonna save those for my salad. There they are. Sprayed them down with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Not olive oil, avocado oil. All right, I'm gonna bake them for a little bit and then I'm gonna broil them. So we'll see how they come out. Well, I got me a new air fryer. Hi, Sammy. So I've had two, not one, but two of the Walmart. Well, I don't know if it's Walmart brand, the cheap ones. And this last one, I use it quite often, but it started smoking. So I unplugged it, it went in the trash. So this one was on sale at Walmart. This was bigger, but I'm gonna leave this one, probably gonna leave this here in the casita. But one thing I did notice is it says dehydrate. But that is cool. Just for one thing, it said like apple crisp and stuff. But I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to get this open, get rid of the box. And I don't know when I'll use it. Might not be this week. Alright, I started a new project. So my window shade, of course it's filthy on this side, so this has been up against the glass. Once I fix it, then I'm going to wash it. Hopefully I can fix it. But this is the shade. But the strings broke, as you can tell. The strings broke. So, I've never done this before. We'll see if I can do it. So, I got to rethread all these with new strings. Hi, Sammy. I'm going to do this, go ahead and do this one too, because it's already frayed. You have something to say? That's what I thought. So I bought this kit on Amazon. So it's got springs, it's got the, I don't know what those are called, and the ropes. So I got two of them out. I guess I'll need two more. But I'm gonna get started. All right, I got my shade back up. It works. I'm gonna have to move that over a little bit and be more careful with it. But it works. I gotta just move that cabinet out a little bit. Some leftover cabbage and potatoes and a little bit of summer sausage. No, smoked sausage. I think you call this summer sausage. One pan meal right there. What are you wanting, Finn?
You can't have it, but you can't. I'm sorry.
Oh.